up YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to buy and sell your first stock on Robinhood. So I know you've seen, a few things in the account, but in this video, it's going to specifically focus on actually buying a stock. That being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Get into you buying your first stock. Okay. And so basically what you're going to want to do is, let's go over here and you're going to want to go to your browser screen. And once you go to the browse screen, you can kind of take a look around and they give you a good little bit of information about stocks. We've kind of gone over this, but let's go into it a little bit deeper. But you just have a big list here. You have your 100 most popular stocks, upcoming earnings, which are really good because traditionally when stocks are giving their upcoming earnings, there's going to be a price increase. So these might be some stocks that you'd be interested in. Go for a cheaper price. You want to keep it costly. But yeah, so you have top movers, technology, ETF, finance, energy and water, businesses, automotive, clothes and accessories. They have a lot of different things on there, so you can just go in there and search for stocks, look at the chart and see what is profitable. But I have a certain company that I want to invest in and that I want to show you with. This is the company that I want to use as an example. Infosys is a really good company, and you see here right now it's $8.96. So it's doing okay. It's going down, up, down. It's a little slow. Look at it over 3 months, and obviously it fell around February and March with COVID-19, but it's starting to make steady, slow uptrend. Like this is a very slow uptrend, but it is looking like it's gonna go back to what it was previous. And looking here, its high was around right before. It was around, we can just say $10, $11. So we have a couple more dollars that we can stand to gain from this stock right now. And for only $8, that's not that much to invest in it. I know somebody that works here, so I can attest, they're a good company. And so we're gonna look at down here, you're gonna wanna look at these few things: the open, high, low, 52-week high, 52-week low. Your open and your high is basically what the stock opened and closed at. So you see it opened at $8.97 here. The high is gonna be the highest it was today. The low is gonna be the lowest that it was today. And you have your open and close. Open is the price that the stock was when it opened this morning, and the close is what it closed at in the afternoon. And you have your 52-week high and low. That's basically the high and low versus a year, like not on the day, but the year. And so the volume, we talked about that in the last video. That's how many shares of the stock are being bought and sold in a given day. Then you have your market capital, and so that's basically the total number of shares that a company has added together. So just your total amount of profit with the shares that are available in the company. You have your PE ratio, and basically that is what the stock market is willing to pay for a stock based on its past earnings. So basically what the stock is worth. And a high PE ratio is an indication that the stock is overpriced, and a low PE ratio is a sign that it's underpriced and it stands to go up. So that's what you want. You want a lower PE ratio. And the dividend yield is how much a company is going to pay out over a year. So it's over 4 quarters, so they're going to do it 4 times, but they're going to split that up into 2. Well, for here it will be 2.77%. And so basically that's the amount that a company is going to pay its shareholders for owning a share of its stock, divided by the current stock price at that time. So that's going to happen 4 times a year. It's good to invest in stocks that have dividends. That's a good thing. So think about that. All right, and we can scroll down a little bit, and you see here we talked about the analyst ratings before. I really don't pay attention to those. I don't know who that is. I don't know them. I don't care what they're talking about because they're wrong. A lot of times they're wrong. So I do my own research. You can just look for some things here. The research report, they're going to tell you different things. We can go down to our earnings, second quarter, third and fourth, what they expect to earn. And it's definitely looking low in quarter 1 and 2, but they're expecting it to increase. throughout the year while everything is calming down with our current situation. And then you can come down here and just look at some similar stocks that people are buying. Oh, okay, Cisco's cute. And here they give you some information about the company. So just information about Infosys, you know, when they started. And the today's volume was 9 million. So I told you I wouldn't trade anything less than $1 million. So this is a good stock to get. So let's go ahead and get into the buy. And here I have the option of dollars, and dollars, that's basically just my fractional share. I can buy dollars worth of the stock, but right now I want to buy a full share just to show you how to buy a share, because I don't think when you first open an account on Robinhood, you don't have the availability to do fractional shares. So I'm just going to show you the shares, like full share. I think I'll do 2. I have $41. Market price is $8.94 right now. So I'll go ahead with 2. $17.89. Oh God, it went down. Okay, so that's it. So this is just gonna give you basically like a little receipt for your order. And let's look at that. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good. So, oh, she's doing a lot. Let's see. Okay, and then you can come back to the main screen and just scroll down here under your stock list of the stocks that you currently own, and you will see your new stock has popped up at the bottom. And I'm seeing that I'm losing with it already very quickly. So I really just wanted to buy this stock to show you guys. You can look here at my position. Yeah, I'm definitely down already. We don't want that. You know, we want gains. So I'll probably go ahead and get rid of this stock. I don't think I'm gonna hold on to it. So let's just go here and sell it. Now you can't do the okie doke on them. Like, let's say you have to put the number that you currently have. So if you put 3 in here, they're gonna be like, don't try it. You don't have enough. So just keep it cute. Put the 2. Go ahead and review. Swipe up to submit. What is it? 17? Yeah, 87. 1738. Okay, I lost a little bit. That's cool. So yeah, that is basically the buying and selling of the stock. You don't see it in my list anymore. It's gone. And that's pretty much that on that. It's really easy. It's fun. Oh, okay. And another thing that I would, I'm telling you, like, actually for this, I need for you definitely to like and subscribe, because I'm putting it out on the line now for you. You saw how I just bought and sold that stock in one day, where there's something I probably should have told you guys about. Like, that should have been in the first video. But it's called the pattern day trade rule. And you can't buy and sell a stock in one day. You have to wait. Like, you have to wait a day or anything more than one day before you buy and sell it. And you only have 3 times that you can do that. So where you can go, you go over here into your investment log, and you go down here, scroll down to the bottom, and you see how that popped up there for Infosys 1 day trade. You can only do that 3 times. And if they strike you as a pattern day trader, they will lock your account for 90 days. They're not playing about that. I'm gonna make a video about it too, because there's some ways you can get around it. Like, I found some ways that you can get around it, and I'm gonna have that video out very soon. But yeah, so I just want to make sure you guys aren't out here just buying and selling the same stock in a day, because your account will get locked, and I don't want that to happen for you. That happened to me and it was trash. So yeah, this is a really quick video. It's very simple. Buying and selling stocks. It's fun, it's easy, it's healthy. So yeah. Thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time watching my videos, please click the thumbs up button and make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will get notified every time I post new videos for you. Be on the lookout for the new stimulus check update. I think you guys are gonna be a little bit excited with what we have. We're learning. I'm learning along the way, even with this challenge from, what I've been trading so far. So I'm really excited about it, and I appreciate you guys coming along on the journey with me. So that being said, we're gonna go ahead and cut this, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, that's Black Girl Stocks. All right, so yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video. All right.